Listener Brahmaputra Festival of Oral Literature da Sangit Nata Academy gi Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Awardee Saknai Rabawadi Leeba SKTV gi Manipuri anchor Takhilambam Shyamkanhai na Manipurgi Waree Leeba Utkhre Maharaj Kumari Binodini Devi Foundation Imasi Foundation Imphal na Assam Royal Global University ga Kuchamnaduna Sinduna University asida chatkiba February 10 dagi 12 fawba pangthokiba Listener Brahmaputra Festival of Oral Literature gi nini chanba numita Shyamkanhai gi wari liba adu utkibani India amadi malem gi tongan mafam kaya dagi lakhiba artist singda natana delegate kaya saruk yadana oral literature da yumfam oiba art form sing utki festival adu da malem da changlaba makhal gi narrative art form ama oiriba Manipuri Waree Leeba Shyamkanhai na minute kuntra rom liduna art form asida top amasak utkibani festival sileba organizer gi maikai dagi so certificate shawl amadi memento peduna ikai khonnabasu utki festival aduda Europe continent ki Lithuania lebaktagi lakhibi historical amasung contemporary wari lebi Milda Varnisketna makhoigi oiba mawongda folk tales ke Yumfam oiba wari liki.
The hair, beard and the hair, he just saw us, turned around and went into one of the houses. He showed us there, he said we can change into our bath.
Ya thang du tira ko mahajan mi joy anni siwari watai punam du sadara ka maharaja masina tingul mayam punam magse masigi mai ke ngap lamba si parama ka maharaj anni si ngap kan parama ka bisma do hari krishna
in this digital world with storytelling that we do with oral storytelling because I think once it gets through digital medium or it really loses a big part of it because the magic happens in a live performance. It's really a live art.